Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at a tool that's been getting a lot of buzz. It's called Taskify AI. It promises you, perfected lightning fast marketing materials.
Right, the whole package. SEO, social media, video scripts, everything.
And it comes with this giant glowing sign that basically screams, "For free, sign me up now."
And that free claim, well, that's exactly what we need to dig into today.
It seems a little suspicious from the start.
It's more than that. Our sources show this perfect paradox. We have one risk assessment that flags it as extremely high danger, a score of like 10.1 out of 100.
Wow, okay, that's low.
But then another one calls it totally legitimate, gives it a 72.
So our mission is to figure out what kind of business model causes that massive split.
Exactly, and what the real price tag actually is for you.
Okay, so let's get right to it. If we peel back all the marketing, what is Taskify AI, technically speaking?
It's what the industry calls a ChatGPT wrapper.
A wrapper, so it's not its own AI.
No, not at all. And that's the crucial part here. It is not an actual AI model that Taskify built or trained.
Okay.
It's just a user interface, a kind of friendly shell that connects its pre-written prompts directly to OpenAI's ChatGPT API.
Ah, so that's where the speed comes from. They're just leaning on OpenAI's computing power.
Precisely. The promise of speed is real.
I get the speed claim. I mean, generating campaign materials in seconds instead of weeks is hugely attractive. But if they aren't charging for the software, how do they make any money? Where's the catch?
This is where it gets really interesting.
I bet.
If you scroll all the way down their homepage and you look at the tiny, almost invisible text right under that big free sign-up button,
Okay.
you'll find the key phrase, OpenAI APIs built separately.
Ah. So, Taskify AI itself is free to use, but you're not paying them.
You are paying OpenAI
Uh-huh.
directly every single time you hit that generate button.
So this isn't a fixed subscription. It's more like a utility bill that could just scale up like crazy depending on how much you use it.
That's the perfect way to put it. We're talking about per token billing.
Meaning you pay for what you put in and for what you get out.
Exactly. The length of the input prompt and the length of the response.
So for someone listening who's using this every day, what are those fees actually looking like?
Well, if you're using their top tier model, GPT-4, you're looking at about 30 per $1 million input tokens and 60 per $1 million for the output.
$60.
Yeah. And even if they use the older GPT 3.5, it's still, 50 cents for input and $1.50 for output per million tokens.
Let's make that a bit more concrete. Say a small business runs one marketing campaign
Okay.
and they generate maybe 10 different pieces of content, buyer personas, ad scripts, some emails,
Just for that one campaign, those API fees could be anywhere from, say, $3 to $15.
just for one go.
Right. And if you're a business that's integrated this into your daily workflow,
That monthly API bill could easily hit hundreds.
or even thousands of dollars,
Yeah.
easily.
Okay, so that really challenges the whole value of this thing. If Taskify AI is really just packaging text instructions, prompts, and feeding them into OpenAI,
Which is all they're doing.
Yeah.
That is the only service.
then what are you paying for? Because those prompts are everywhere for free, right? On
Right.
Reddit, GitHub.
Thousands of them. All over the internet in free prompt libraries.
So what's the real clear alternative here for someone who's a heavy user?
It's actually really simple.
Mm.
And it's a fixed cost.
Which is?
You just pay $20 a month for the official ChatGPT Plus subscription directly from OpenAI.
And that gets you what exactly?
Unlimited GPT-4 access through their interface.
Yeah.
No per token billing. Just a flat, predictable fee.
So the choice is pretty stark then. You can either use Taskify's free platform and face these potentially massive, unpredictable API costs,
Especially for heavy use, yeah.
or you pay $20 a month for the official product, get unlimited access, and just use free prompt libraries to get the exact same results.
You've got it. Taskify is essentially selling you convenience, a prettier interface, for a massive potential upcharge.
So that's the final takeaway for you listening.
Right. That free sign-up is technically true. You aren't paying Taskify, the company.
Which is how it gets that high legitimacy score.
But it's functionally very misleading because you are running up a massive variable fee every time you click generate.
And that's where the high-risk, low score comes from.
Oh, that's the danger.
So here's the thought we want to leave you with. If the core AI technology is identical and the instruction manuals, the prompts, are already free on the internet, when does the convenience of a branded, prettier interface actually justify potentially thousands of dollars in unpredictable utility fees for your business? Keep questioning everything. We'll see you on the next deep dive.